How to start a digital marketing agency in 2024 as a beginner. The skills you like, the experience you like, the reviews, reputation, testimonial, as a beginner, I comment to client. So guys, video se hudikana mayam like to wear more, subscribe to wear more, mayam channel sibu support to you, mayam na pamba video in related to entrepreneur, business, plus digital marketing. Si topic sida mayam na interested over any topic, thada wear more. I'll try my best to create an awesome video for you guys. So, Sima honaba honaba matamda somgi mind the lamb or ID pasha like the ID skill like the ID experience like the ID testimonial like the client combine thada ID thazagani shina ching miyam som the confused lamb gani na khale adubu this is the solution. Sigi formulas ay isamang apply to the formula ni paisa kaim ta ting da bida somgi digital marketing agency ma mashima somne hodokpa yani som office lo be dakar oide I use office lo na te yum da gini samaki yum da gini aina thabak tawjariba employee ju virtual gatani virtual se moi ju mayumem de loin mak thabak to gatani we are working in a freedom ado ai content da lakchar again. Step number 1 the online the companies thidok piro kamaina thidokani hamatam the solution ja ma'am Google lo sina biramani Google the companies near me hamatam the na anywhere na India la igra US la igra hadi Impal sai jaga da la igra hadi Thailand uri boxing mai anywhere wherever you are just that companies near me hamatam the list of companies ama tholkani ba ko ado not only Manipur ko hadi India ki mahum anywhere hadi Delhi oigera Kolkata oigera Bangalore oigera Chennai oigera Mumbai oigera Gujarat oigera anywhere huziki aina haida companies near me adum thibira companies myam tholani adubu industry di som choose so bio kramba industry darkar hadi nangna khar pamjaba industry nangna problem solve to ngam industry laidana adu choose to darkar way. Not only that, international ju to yani samuk international companies mayam thabak tawraga ai service peer ga ai ju ngasi pisa tan jai same thing you can also apply today the same formulas which I apply. So aina hajaning mudi online da changaga company gi list mayam puthok piro ko puthok pasida ai hajar ke companies chama chani to godong mateba just 5 companies or 10 companies enough only enough for aduga I platform jo hajar ke Google gatana te bida LinkedIn jo sina bio business to business tawbagi LinkedIn one of the best platform hadi skip tawba si sungam yaro LinkedIn sida companies myam lere adi companies to owner myam so LinkedIn na my employee every department the marketing or sales or IT or low in LinkedIn da ziki matam da low in lay aduna reach out to matam da email kadang nataba message su thabe connect to be moi myama adi nang oi ube research to be sana so aduga companies myama lay bidu da companies to na ko gi $1 million da spend to ba company oi targa di advertising da adumba company da reach out to begin over company reach out to warga hekta mathomam khangdana no, so we are smart people, my friend. So, aduna hajar ke tang filter do bioba companies yarige di small companies. Hadi just startup kumba holapa the companies machala the employee amma ani ahum mangam golaiba employee amma dena taramungum laiba amma dena kunbu sigumba company gumba target to bioba as a beginner moina hekta nang na $1 million spend over advertising the adumba company tawde you are just wasting your time. I experience I might be wrong, but as a beginner, some in a whole matam da aina tawju poto formula do ay ngasi no de sinabaneva. Hadi somna yam tina capable of target $1 million ad spend over company or target of you kaim kaideva if you are fit. Adubu beginner some orga hadi $1 million ads company spend over company do aduma rich store gadi kitang lan gadrana aina hijabneba aduna yargadi small companies on a target tobio adun reach out to the sulai ni adi franchisee cho man di owner du nang suleng thena roi they are super busy aduna ni company do manga tang khanbiro chat lawa aduga adugi list on one semwer matung de step number 2 da kedoni ha matam da company du ingbiro website lebrana first up website lemna great website today ingbiro every page suyang over magi content ji kamani e the image na kamani high call to action ji na kamani kai no adlaidana si ching over sidai nang experience le chu yai tool sam leiba sigi tool se kai maming ko ga uber sa si na na website ji problems a to z koi tidok mi yai hadi website da kari problem lai hadi na hujikti as a beginner mo ina loina ma khangdraga su uber suggested da ujiki company nang na changiba my website to da domain do copy to ga uber suggested da paste to biro aduga recrawl da matung da nangi website ji problems loi thola ni ko adugi problem me am do when business owner do uttoine ba ya ko na uji problem me am loi khange ko problem khangabani na kadora third steps da problem khangamni na you need to fix the problem solution mu pi darkar hoy problem ge de loi thokpiro aduga step by step da command to fix to ni abi solution am ju thokpiro loi na in details ani go hadi nangna thariba nangna piriba nangi kano se strategy natraga blueprint ja nang hire to su ya bai mong hadi done for you kitab da ma pbo marketing words ni go done for you as a game can be gonna just as a beginners done for you any case no hadi mana to do me ando nang loinak to bi ba hai tare adu na solution do ibirani third ta problem do loi khange solution step by step in detail se ani kari gumanang na in detail se either di nang company na nang hire to chance yam thina name because nobody cares about who you are about your product hadi aiga mi to ba khena ba ma hajar ke ba huzik ma on the message tare as da akhogi adu product lay ada product lay I don't care because they don't do the research they just care about their product they're just trying to sell adudi matam adu mangani adugi the style of marketing message ko thadudi adudi long lasting sure thaina adi chatnaram bone hujikti miloin maksing mi product sina kana ga kitang research tawraga customer na kari needs oge moi companies na kari problem lage adu khanga kanda in details da moi the reach out to na hena effective jo oeba adu not the bida mathomram khang de bida message pangtha thajan ba o ai sigi si phone am lere si phone je yoning na mingon de ekta message thajan ba da adu hujikti yara roi adu etadi you are just wasting your time and as well as you know hadi nangi hard work man loina mak aremba loi tane aduna you know ai secret youtube yengabina adu thabuk tudi tobigano matam du mangani so haizaning point di ko di solution chu pi batam du ne ba step number 3 problem ka tanate solution jo step number 4 de gi da ne linkedin da adigi kano da website to da contact ana yarongani natraga linkedin dagi owner do thidok piani kamaina thidok no yam thin lai company gi magi domain da aduga plus ko owner na dum nambiro aduga search of your google thocharakani natraina linkedin da changbio linkedin dugina magi employee myam rangani listing bio kitang filter do biro linkedin dui manungda duga owner do dum thidok bio adum yarongani yaudena kem guide my website na contact page na yarongani contact page da email bu thagera phone bu togera message bu thagera som loinmak tobe yare adu nang sai blueprint da nang step number 3 da problem ga solution ga sembi da mo da thandoi ne adu email am to biro adu ga phone ju to biro sms su thabiyo ba adu mo social media ler modi am phare adu page bu ta thajalo ba linkedin do igera twitter do igera degi kano da instagram do igera ko anywhere adi whatever it takes adi nangi sigi message ay yodo ba su ya deba adi nang client manga na to tara sida 100% nang follow up to ba moin ek nangi kano se udribo nang email thajangera message thagera call tosangera ek blueprint je udribo nang adu ek taw matam dana compulsory out of 5 ta 2 people will reply hadi mi kudimak nang pamba yarokani ko kana go mamna nang pam da yarokani sidi miyobegi kano ni adu iduna adu kemta matha saningai lekte duga aina hoji haizer ba 4 steps si apply to bioba nang client sungsoi soidana ngasimak nang si apply to targadi na within a week nang international client ogera manipur gi client ogera india gi anywhere client ogera nang sungsoi soidana client phangani sigi 4 steps ai recap am go to jarke step number 1 da online da companies myama chidok piro ko adigi step number 2 da kedoni companies to gi website lergadi website menung do changbiro ke problem nei loi khandok piro step number 3 da problem to the tawrena 3 da di solution mu ibiro in details the step by step the pura blueprint picture on the na leidana do biro 4 da na kadora email thabiro owner do da is the yamna fancy oibagi as graphic design yaudana non it basic email ko yam chamna message taroba sagi nangi kano do sagi nangi blueprint do adu attach toroga is the email actor huzikan gi kano graphic design ga haptana we don't need that basic email thaw that's it yarba adu ek thaw matung de gi nang follow up to bioba nang na thagriba email when a bible or a padibo or a padre na call solo hey I just sent an email adigi can do you have a time to check your email later na follow up to send bioba adigi moina pataragadi yangdi asnang nangi game plan sa yamna fazai adu taragadi sungsoi soidana moi hard torkani som ngasidagi so Sida digital marketing agency amadana som course lebe kemta atrayogde si formula se apply to bio client soi dana phangani samaksu linkedin da message ka tharaga ai matamnu de message myamam thai sigi strategy ja hinaragani aina ngasi client phangjai se som se apply to bio 100% free ni sida pasa kemta tingdo mate somna khangdena message thabiro ngonda Instagram ko Facebook description da lo yawni anywhere you can reach me out I will be happy to help you to get your first client thank you very much guys somna pamba any topic related to digital marketing habiro marketing tips ai sumso soidana ai video semjarke please subscribe my video and that really means a lot and I appreciate it. Please share it. Somebody needs this kind of tips when it comes to marketing, and I'll see you in my next video. Appreciate it, guys. Cheers.